Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or change static hostname using hostnamectl command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So first I am logging into terminal as a root user. So next I am going to execute the hostnamectl command. So here you can see that there is no static hostname is set here, and transient name you can see it is set as a localhost. So now I am checking cat/etc/hostname. So I am checking the hostname entries in hostname file. So there is no hostname entries in /etc/hostname, which means we are going to set freshly a new static hostname using hostnamectl command. So this is the command hostnamectl space set-hostname space fully qualified domain name. So this will be the static hostname RHEL boxes.in. Okay. So optionally you can give as hyphen static. So this is optional only. By default it will take it as a static hostname only. So I am executing this command. So now I am once again executing hostnamectl. Yes, you can see that new static hostname is got set here. You can verify in hostname file cat/etc/hostname. Yes, you can see static hostname is got updated in /etc/hostname file. Now I am going to restart the systemd-hostnamd services. So this is optional only. So make sure that your computer is in isolated environment, which means your computer is not in network. So changing the or resetting the static hostname in network when your computer network is dangerous. So make sure that your computer in isolated environment or in standalone mode. Okay. You can also verify the static hostname by going to settings. About you can see that new static hostname is got set here. So this is the way you can verify the newly set static hostname. So we have successfully set the new static hostname using hostnamectl command in RHEL 9.